In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to add an MP4 to your Kit broadcasts. Hi, I'm Matt, a team member here at Video Email. Video Email is designed to be used by marketers with no coding skills required. If you can copy and paste, you are all set to add video to your Kit broadcasts. Here's a video email playing in a Gmail account. In this video, I'll walk you through how you can create a video email, just like this example. Okay, so let's create a video email. Step 1 is to create a new broadcast in Kit. First, we select our template. Next, we add a HTML block into position within the template, where we wish our MP4 to be featured. We now select Edit to reveal the HTML pane. We can now move on to create our video content. The Viewed Video Email platform is where we'll create the content for our video email. Viewed offers a free trial account. This provides the opportunity to take the platform for a test drive with no commitment. Once signed into Viewed, we select New Video and then Upload Video. Next, we add a name for our video. We now upload our MP4 from our computer by either dragging it into the platform or selecting the MP4 file from our folders. We now enter the width of our video. This is 600. Next, we select Upload Video. Our MP4 will now be uploaded to Viewed. This will take up to a couple of minutes depending on the size of the MP4 file. We have now successfully uploaded our MP4. We now choose how we are going to use the MP4, selecting the option to send with other emailing software. Viewed now creates a snippet of HTML. We scroll to the foot of this page where we select Copy Code. It is this code which we are going to use to add our MP4 to our template. We return to Kit, where we paste the HTML snippet into the HTML pane and select Save. Our MP4 is now in position within our template. We proceed to preview our email to see how the MP4 will play in our template on desktop and mobile. Finally, we proceed to edit our broadcast and prepare for sending in the normal way. Thanks for watching. To get started for free, check out details of the Viewed Email platform, free trial, by scanning the QR code or visiting the link shown here.